Good day, everyone. My name is Crystal Gracie Caico, and currently I am taking my master's degree at the University of Negros Occidental, Recoletos. Today, we will discuss about the online booking system with the property management system. So first thing in mind that comes into property management system is that it is new to our booking system, especially in the hospitality and tourism management. So to know more about the PMS or the property management system, we will delve it today. So let us first know what is a property management system. So, for our introduction, as I have said, we'll discuss more about the PMS. However, it is important or vital that we should know what PMS really means. So, for the PMS, we have samples like cloud hotels and serve. So, Hotel Property Management System, or PMS, manage all aspects of hotel operations, including the delivery of superior guest experiences. So, traditionally, a hotel PMS was defined as a software that enabled a hotel or group of hotels to manage front office capabilities such as booking reservations, guest check-in and check-out, room assignment, managing room rates, and also with the billing. So hotel PMS replaced time-consuming, proper intensive processes. So today, hotel PMS technology has evolved well beyond the front office desk. So a hotel PMS is basically now a critical business operations system that enables sellers to deliver amazing guest experience. So even the housekeeping is part of a modern development for especially in the IT sector. It's crucial for the success and competitiveness of an industry, especially when we talk about the hospitality and tourism industry. So it is usually very hard for new technologies to be accepted and implemented. This is the case with cloud technology, for which the options between hoteliers and are divided on those who think that it is just another fashion trend, unnecessarily to be taken into consideration, and those who believe that it helps in performing daily operations more easily, leaving a space for interaction with guests both in virtual and real world. So next we have this core functionalities of property management system. So basically, we have five functionalities. So first, we have the front office, the housekeeping, the channel management, reporting, and also we have the last one is the reservation. So these are the five core functionalities of PMS. So here, so we will delve into what are really the benefits of using property management system or PMS. So the PMS offers many benefits for the hotelier's business. So customer travel journey begins by selecting a destination while simultaneously shopping for a hotel. So that pre-stay shopping and booking interaction, they're on property management engagement with the hotel and its staff. Their in-room experience and their sharing of feedback on social media post-stay are all part of guest experience. So we have here the room reservation, revenue management, front desk operation, customer relationship, bills, and invoices. When you talk about room reservations, it's very familiar for us because I know that most of us already have or done booking for reservation, specifically in a hotel. So the key functions of hotel PMS system is to manage of room for reservation. And when you talk about the revenue management, the price of hotel rooms are usually dynamic. So meaning they change based on a variety of factors. This can include the time of the year, special events in the area, and competitor prices. So basically, I already uh, know about the lean season and the peak season during my OJT years. So I've been into a specific hotel that really values the pricing of the room. So for example, it is Mascara Festival, which is in October. So it is considered a peak season because most of the tourists flock into Bacolod City and they need some accommodation. So that's why it is important for the revenue management. So PMS in the front office operation, it is very valuable because the system brings together all the functions from front office staff may need. So front desk operation modules usually include features such as monitoring rooms reservation status, checking guests in and out, processing payment, and generating receipts for guests. So that's it. When we talk about customer relationship management, so customer relationship management or what we call the CRM module can collect guest information such as contact information gathered from the front office reservation or other sources. And lastly, we have the bills and invoices. So a financial module can be vital piece of hotel PMS system as it can streamline hotel transactions and add all hotel costs to guest final bill with the reservation cost. This can include in-room services, use of facilities, and food or drink from a hotel restaurant or cafe. So next, we will have the application. So the application for this discussion is that hotels are fast-paced businesses. So with a lot of elements to balance every day, however, there are many technological solutions. So basically when we talk about the PMS that can help hotel staff remain organized and efficient, even on busy days. So if you're seeking a ways to make it easier for people in the hotel to do their jobs efficiently and effectively, consider learning about hotel property management system. Okay, for our conclusion and our recommendation, I believe by saying or by ending this is that PMS as an essential component for hotel management provides tool as necessary for hotel staff in performing daily operations of the reservation. The accommodation capabilities management, accounting, and more. So the software supports all basic activities involved with process operation, accommodation facilities, and interconnect systems within it. Hospitality enterprises that are constantly working on innovation in the implementation of hardware, software, and networks can be competitive in the market, which maintain the long-term prosperity of the business. So here are the references of the discussion. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.